How to open PDF file in Chrome without downloading it. Okay, so if you want to open any PDF file or any PDF link directly on your Chrome, so in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can do this. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. So here we are on my Chrome browser, and so first we need to check whether your Chrome browser up to date or not. Just click on three dot option, go to the help and go to the about Google Chrome, and here we can check if your Chrome is up to date or not. In my case, my Chrome is up to date, but if you're not, then it will be start automatically update, and after update here you can see the option or button that says you have to relaunch the Chrome browser. Then your Chrome browser will be relaunched or reopen. Now just open the Chrome browser. Now what you need to do, just click on this three little dot and come to the settings. Here under the setting you will see the your left side there is a option bar here, sidebar you can see, and now we need to go in privacy and security option. Here just scroll down and we need to select the site settings. Under the site setting, just scroll down and you will see the option called additional content setting. Just expand it and just scroll down and you will see the option called PDF document. Just hit on it. So maybe you have selected here download PDFs when you open any PDF file here, so you need to select the open the PDF in Chrome only. Okay, so and just come back and again come in and just check whether it is selected or not. Now your problem will be solved 100%. Just try it. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.